Today, let's understand one of the fastest growing trends in AI, SLMs, or small language models. Unlike massive LLMs that need huge compute and memory, SLMs are lightweight, efficient, and designed to run on smaller devices, sometimes even on your laptop or smartphone. So what makes SLMs different? SLMs are trained with fewer parameters, but optimized using advanced techniques like knowledge distillation, efficient tokenization, and specialized training datasets. This allows them to deliver high-quality reasoning and text generation, but with far lower computational cost. Where are SLMs used? On-device AI assistants, privacy-focused applications, where user data stays local, low-latency chatbots. Industrial IoT systems, edge computing environments. SLMs shine when you need speed, security, and low resource usage. The biggest advantages of SLMs include faster inference, lower cost of deployment, reduced energy consumption, better privacy, easy fine-tuning for specific domains. In short, SLMs make AI more accessible, enabling powerful language understanding without needing massive servers. They're a major step toward bringing AI closer to everyday devices.